My name is Nadine Hawkins and I am the editor at Capacity Media. We're here at Datacloud Global Congress 2025, where we're celebrating 2 decades of the event. Today, I'm joined by Pablo Ruiz Escribano, Senior Vice President of Secure Power and Data Centres in Europe at Schneider Electric. Pablo, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me here, and welcome to our booth.
Thank you so much. Could you tell us a little bit more about your role?
Sure. So I'm brand new in the position. I took the role in 1st of March, and I have 3 mandates. First one is that I'm running a Secure Power P&L, which is built with all the products, services, and solutions that we're selling in the data center space, including single-phase, three-phase, racks, PDUs, precision cooling, and all the software that we can bring to the data center space. Also, I'm leading on behalf of the entire Schneider, the relationship with the data center business. Okay. So I'm kind of the single point of contact of all our customers. And last but not least, I'm also leading the IT channel, which is predominantly the way we are addressing some of the IT products to the market.
You have a very busy time.
I am.
With the change in the way that the AI data centres of the future are designed, powered and operated, have you seen a change in the energy and sustainability challenges?
Well, I've seen a huge impact. I mean, a lot of disruption is coming to the market, and so it's really kind of reshaping the whole entire industry, not only in the energy and the sustainability piece. Data center business was already a data center or a segment that was really oriented to energy consumption, energy reduction, and also sustainability. But AI, what has brought is just a revolution that has changed the way we build, the way we design, the way we access to the power, the way we are extracting the heat from the data center. So it's a full revolution, full disruption, definitely.
With global electricity demand expected to double by 2026 and hyperscale CO2 emissions increasing up to 50%, how is Schneider Electric helping its customers optimise power capacity while prioritising sustainability?
So we are approaching and we're helping our customers in 3 different ways. The first one, we're helping them to make their own strategy in terms of sustainability. Sustainability has to be in the DNA of our customers. It cannot be just one thing of efficiency. It has to be a complete holistic approach. So we have a team that is working on consulting, supporting customers to define the whole entire sustainability strategy. Then we're working with them on how we can help them to decarbonize the energy consumption. The way we can decarbonize is maybe through the purchase of the electricity, so making sure that 100% of the electricity that they're buying is fully renewable. And for that, we are one of the largest companies that were managing PPAs for the data center business. But also we are helping them on the full scope 1, 2, and 3, or the impact of the CO2 emissions. How? Designing and redesigning our products, taking the full impact, CO2 impact in the lifetime, making sure that we reduce the raw material, so we use the raw materials that they can be recycled. When we design, we take the full entire life cycle of the equipment into consideration. So when we need to renew it, we're able to do a circularity and we reuse some components. And third, we have a team that is working on how we can make data center more efficient. And when we design our data center, we are always thinking of how our products can be more efficient, how we can help them operate in a more efficient way. And the beauty of working with Schneider is that we have a holistic approach. No one else in the market can do this approach. And we have that holistic approach that can help us to break the silos, or we can help our customers to break the silos and manage the data center in a more efficient way. At the end of the day, we are helping them on the strategy, on the way they can decarbonize, and how they can be more efficient.
And how can the AI housed in data centres help decarbonise other industries?
Well, I really believe that data center segment has not been perceived by the society as a key fundamental backbone of the transition that we need to go through. As a society, we need to go through or adopt the digital transformation, and for that you need an IT infrastructure. Definitely data center is at the backbone of that. But also, especially in Europe, what we've seen is that we need to run away from the fossil fuels in order to keep growing economics in a sustainable way.
Yeah.
The only way to do that is to decouple that growth from the consumption of CO2 fossil fuels. And for that, and to go through that energy transition, we need digitization in the grid on how we use it and how we interact. And for that, we really need a data center. Having said that, data centers are bringing a lot of opportunities in many different segments. Life science, automotive, we are on other industries like research, R&D. So it's going to be a massive impact on the energy consumption of every single industry. So, we like it or not, there is no way we can run away from AI.
Yeah.
It's going to help us. It's going to transform the way we work, the way we operate our industries, our infrastructures, and it's going to have a massive impact on the energy consumption. So for me, it's a really backbone that is going to enable all these efficiencies and energy transition that we need as a society.
Yeah. So what actions can be taken to bend the energy curve and drive sustainable growth?
Many of them. I mean, you have to look at it in a holistic way. When you look at the data center, I mean, AI is bringing a lot of benefits, but it's also bringing a challenge that is going to be consume a lot of energy, and the impact on the weight of the data center consumption or the energy of the data center consumption in the mix is going to be higher.
Yeah.
So we need to avoid it or face it in a holistic way, and there are many actions that we can take from the design, from the way we build it, and from the way we operate the data center. So from choosing the most energy efficiency equipment in the market up to using renewables on the energy that we're using, there are so many things that we can do, and we cannot do it isolated. We have to have a full entire strategy on how we want to face this challenge, and how we, as an industry, we want to avoid or we want to decouple the increase of energy consumption from the needs of deployment of IT infrastructure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Busy time ahead of you, it sounds like.
Yeah.
Pablo, thank you for joining us at Datacloud Global
Thank you for
Congress.
coming and visiting us.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Same.